Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make Excel graphs look professional. First, let's declutter your charts. Remove unnecessary elements like grid lines, legends, and excessive axis labels. A clean canvas helps your data stand out. Next, select the most appropriate chart type for your data. For instance, use a bar chart for comparisons or a line chart for trends over time. This foundational step ensures your message is clear from the start. Now, let's refine the aesthetics. Employ a consistent color scheme, perhaps using 3 to 5 colors, to maintain a professional appearance. Ensure your fonts are readable. Arial or Calibri in 10 to 12-point size often work well. Always include a clear, concise chart title that immediately tells your audience what they are viewing. These small adjustments significantly elevate your graph's visual impact. Your graph should tell a compelling story. Use annotations such as arrows or text boxes to draw attention to crucial data points or significant trends. Sorting your data, for example, from largest to smallest, can reveal patterns that might otherwise be hidden. Consider adding a small, unobtrusive footnote for data sources, providing context without cluttering the main visual. This guides your audience through your insights. Finally, let's explore some advanced techniques. Consider using sparklines for quick, in-cell trend visualizations, perfect for dashboards. For more interactive experiences, build dynamic charts with slicers or drop-down menus, allowing users to filter data effortlessly. When sharing, always export your graphs in high-resolution formats like PNG or PDF to ensure crisp, professional quality in all your presentations and reports.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.